Hey guys, it's Noah, head roaster and quality control for Public Square, and today I'm going to be talking about the Aeropress. The Aeropress is great if you're looking for a little bit more body than the Flower Dripper or a V60 or a Kalita. So you're going to get more body, you're going to get more juiciness typically, more chocolate. It's going to be more well-rounded a lot of the time, and definitely a little bit more viscous. So today we're going to be brewing the Guatemala Huehuetanego, which is really good. It has some of the characteristics of a typical Guatemala with just a little bit more floral attributes, a little more added complexity, but still very sweet. So we're going to start with 30 grams. And we always start with our Aeropress inverted for most of these recipes. It's just preference. So 30 grams in, and then the first thing we're gonna do is pour 100 grams on top in 10 seconds. So we're really pouring fast, making sure we're saturating all the grounds. We want every ground to get hit so that all of the gas can be released. So if you're seeing bubbles later in the brew, that's not a very good sign. So then we're gonna use the paddle. We're gonna do about 20 back and forth in 10 seconds. And then we are going to wet our filter. Make sure we get out all that paper taste. And again, we're using a double filter with this one, just for a cleaner cup. Get some of those delicate notes, some more complexity. And then when we hit 40 seconds, we're gonna put on the top and we're gonna flip. We're gonna press down slowly and evenly so we don't get any spillage. Then yeah, when you hear that wonderful hissing, you know that your coffee's done. You can tap it a few times, turn it over, set it off to the side. Then we're going to add another 110 grams in this recipe. This is just a taste, so we prefer 110 grams. If you want to have a coffee that's a little bit lighter, a little bit has a little bit less body, you could add a little bit more water. If you want a coffee that's a little bit thicker and a little bit more viscous, you'd add less than 110 grams. But that's up to you. That is all up to you to play around with. So the next thing we're gonna do, which is the last thing, is we're gonna pour slowly into the coffee cup we're gonna drink out of to let the coffee breathe a little bit as well as cool down. So before we drink it, we want it around 140 degrees so that it's a perfect drinking temperature. So now that we're at 140 degrees, it's time to taste. Delicious.